Pollution is everywhere, in our oceans, skies, and forests. But while humans are the cause, nature isn't just suffering, it's adapting. From plastic-eating microbes to birds using cigarette butts as pest control, animals around the world are finding incredible ways to fight back. This is how wildlife is turning the tables on pollution.
Let's dive underwater, where marine life is under siege from plastic pollution, but some sea creatures are evolving. Octopuses found using bottle caps and cans for shelter. Shows adaptability and intelligence. Hermit crabs using plastic bottle tops instead of shells. Not ideal, but a sign of behavioral adaptation. Scientists discovered microbes in the guts of marine worms and fish that can break down microplastics. Nature is creating biological solutions, slowly but surely. On land, animals are adapting in even more surprising ways. Birds using cigarette butts in nests. Urban birds like sparrows and finches are weaving cigarette filters into their nests. The nicotine repels mites and parasites, a pollution-powered pest control. Insects adapting to chemical exposure. Some ant colonies are thriving in pesticide-heavy environments by developing resistance. This shows fast genetic adaptation to man-made chemicals. Bears and raccoons adapting to city life learn to open bins, navigate traffic, and avoid human confrontation. Urban scavengers are reshaping their diet based on waste.
Not all animal responses are harmless. Some are warnings.
Rats building nests from wires and plastics, resulting in electrical fires in urban settings.
Pollution pushing animals into dangerous creativity. Elephants raiding garbage dumps, consuming plastic unknowingly, leading to injury or death. Their behavior is desperate, but also an alarm for us to act. Scientists are now studying these animal adaptations to develop solutions. Using nature's responses to design sustainable tech. For example, enzymes in plastic-eating microbes now used in lab-based recycling. Inspired by animals, biodegradable materials are on the rise. Nature is creative, but it shouldn't have to clean up our mess. These adaptations are incredible, but they're also signs of stress. Animals shouldn't have to eat plastic or use toxins for survival. These behaviors are resilience under pressure, not ideal adaptations. Animals are adapting, but the real change starts with us. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and rethink how we treat our planet. Because if nature can fight back, so can we.